Now AP. So today I am going to begin arithmetic progression. Now what is arithmetic progression? It is a series of numbers in which consecutive terms, consecutive means one after the other, in which the consecutive terms have a fixed difference. जिनमें consecutive terms के बीच का difference क्या हो, fixed हो, या ये कह सकते हैं the series of numbers is said to be in AP if and only if the difference of any term from its preceding term, हर एक टर्म का डिफरेंस उसके आगे वाली टर्म से कितना होगा, फिक्स होगा ना. जैसे हम ये देखें, बताना ये 1 है, ये 5 है, ये 9 है, ये 14 है, ये क्या है 19 है, ये कितना है 25 है, एंड सो ऑन. इसको क्या कहते हैं, एंड सो ऑन. तो ये बताओ वेदर दिस इज इन एपी और नॉट. ये सीरीज ऑफ नंबर, ये लिस्ट ऑफ नंबर्स एपी में है कि नहीं. वेदर दिस लिस्ट ऑफ नंबर्स इज इन एपी. तो देख लो कॉन्जिक्यूटिव का मतलब क्या है, अगल बगल वाले ना, जो एक के बाद एक हो ना. क्या डिफरेंस है बताओ, बोलो.
सर इसमें 4 का डिफरेंस आ रहा है.
ये क्या है 4 का, बताओ. इसमें कितने का डिफरेंस है.
सर 4.
सर सब में 4 का है.
इसमें कितने का है.
सर 4 का ही है.
4 का है. ये तुमको तन्वीर, ये भी तुमको नहीं मालूम.
नो
5 का.
कितने का डिफरेंस है, 5 का है. यहाँ कितने का डिफरेंस है,
5.
यहाँ कितने का डिफरेंस है,
6.
सर 6.
6 का. तो whether this list of number is in AP, so no, it is not in AP. आया समझे, this list of number is not in AP. This list of numbers is not in AP. ये AP में नहीं है ये लिस्ट. ये चीज समझ में आ गई. ये लिस्ट जो है, ये नंबर्स की लिस्ट, ये एपी में नहीं है. क्यों नहीं है, बिकॉज कॉन्जिक्यूटिव टर्म्स डोंट हैव ए फिक्स डिफरेंस. एज कॉन्जिक्यूटिव टर्म्स do not have a fixed difference. There is no fixed difference in between the consecutive terms. Now see here. Now whether this number is in list is in AP or not. बताओ, whether this list of number is in AP or not.
सर AP है.
हैं?
Yes sir.
Yes. And why? Because the difference is 2. यहाँ डिफरेंस 2 है, यहाँ डिफरेंस क्या है 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 2 है. Therefore it is, ये क्या है डिफरेंस. ये क्या है डिफरेंस. तो ये लिस्ट ऑफ नंबर, सिंस देयर इज ए fixed difference, between conjugative terms. Therefore, this list of numbers is in AP. This is in AP. This list of numbers is in AP. Whether it is clear? Now see here. First term of AP denoted by A. First term is denoted by A. First term of an AP. What is the full name of AP? Arithmetic progression. Progression means series. Progression means series. It's clear? Arithmetic progression. It's clear? So first term of an AP is denoted by E. फर्स्ट टर्म को किससे डिनोट करते हैं? ए से डिनोट करते हैं. एंड द डिफरेंस बिटवीन द कॉन्जुगेटिव टर्म्स एंड द डिफरेंस between the conjugative terms is called common difference. Is called common difference, and it is denoted by D. उसको किससे डिनोट करते हैं? D से डिनोट करते हैं. Difference between the conjugative terms is called common difference and it is denoted by which symbol? D. Now, for example, I am writing one series of numbers here. Here it is 5, 9, 13, 17, 21, 25 and so on. First you check whether it is in AP. पहले check करेंगे whether it is in AP or not. So what is the difference here? Difference कितना होगा बोलो?
4.
4. 9 minus 5, 4. 13 minus 9, 4. 17 minus 13, 4. 21 minus 17, 4. And this is also 4. Therefore, this list of numbers is in AP. This is in AP. What is the first term here? What is first term?
5.
5. It is denoted by A equals to 5. What is common difference?
4.
4.
4.
It is denoted by symbol D, which
D.
is equal to 4.
4.
It's clear. So
Yes,
see
sir.
here, you can write an AP in terms of A and D. General form of an AP. What is the general form of an AP? General form of an AP. एक AP का जनरल फॉर्म क्या हो जाएगा? A plus D, A plus 2D, A plus 3D, A plus 4D, and so on. A plus D, A plus 2D, A plus 3D, A plus 4D, and so on. This is the general form of an AP. ये AP का एक जनरल फॉर्म है. This point is clear? बोलो.
Yes, sir.
अब देख लो. Now nth term of an AP, it is denoted by symbol AN. Nth term of AP denoted by symbol AN. You can see here. Nth term of an AP is denoted by AN. Nth term we denote by this symbol AN. This point is clear? Now see here. So what will be the first term? First term is A1. It is the first term. And that we have already taken as A. What is the second term? हमने क्या एज्यूम किया है सेकंड टर्म में? सेकंड टर्म कितना हो गया जनरल फॉर्म में? A plus D. This is the second term. It's clear? So we can write it as A plus D. Then A3. This will be the third term. What is third term here? What is the third term?
A plus 2D.
A plus 2D. Then A4. Fourth term. That is A plus 3D. It's clear? So see here, you can write these terms in this way also. If you see here, we can write here there is no term of D, so we can write A plus 0 into D. It can be further written as A plus 1 minus 1 into D. A plus 1 minus 1 into D. It's clear? Now what will you write this? This can be written as A plus 2 minus 1 into D. This we can write A plus 3 minus 1 into D. And this can be written as A plus 4 minus 1 into D. This is clear? हमने टर्म को रीअरेंज कर दिया. Now if you see here, everywhere there is A. Everywhere there is A. Everywhere there is D. Everywhere there is 1. ये इतनी चीजें हर जगह क्या है? सेम है. हर जगह A है. Here at every place there is D. At every place there is 1. Only here in the first term there is 1. In the second term it is 2. In the third term it is 3. In the fourth term it is 4. So what will be in the fifth term at this place? Fifth
A
term में यहाँ
plus 5 minus 1.
यहाँ पर क्या हो जाएगा? फिफ्थ टर्म में 5 हो जाएगा.
5.
सिक्स्थ टर्म में 6 हो जाएगा. nth टर्म में क्या हो जाएगा? n हो जाएगा. Therefore nth term of an AP, this is denoted by An, which is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. A plus n minus 1 into D. This is the nth term of NAP. It's clear? This point is clear?
Yes,
Now
sir.
see here. Last term of NAP. Last term of NAP is denoted by L. By which symbol? L. Last term of an AP denoted by this symbol L. Is clear? So see here, if nth term is the last term is last term. If the nth term is last term, how will you write? L equals to A plus n minus 1 into B. कैसे लिखेंगे? L equals to A plus n minus 1 into D. This point is clear?
Yes, sir.
L equals to A plus n minus 1 into D. Now see here. Now we will see the nth term from the last. Nth term from the end. So see here. देख लो, जिस एपी में फाइनाइट नंबर ऑफ टर्म्स हो, that is called the finite AP. What is finite AP? An AP consisting finite number of terms. An AP consisting finite number of terms, it is called the finite AP. It's clear? While if there are infinite terms, then that will be infinite AP. Now see here, nth term from last in a finite AP. Nth term from last in a finite AP. So if you write the AP, then it will be A plus D, A plus 2D, A plus 3D, and in the last, what will you get? Last term is L. Last term is L. It's clear? So see here, nth term from last in a finite AP, it is denoted by which symbol? Ln. इसको किस सिंबल से डिनोट करते हैं? Ln से डिनोट करते हैं. It is denoted by which symbol? Ln. So what is the first term from last? First term from last. Who will tell? बताओ, लास्ट से पहला टर्म कौन सा है? बोले?
Sir,
So
L.
it is L. It's clear? सिंबल में क्या हो जाएगा? L1. Here it is equal to L. Now second term from last. इसके ठीक पहले वाला टर्म क्या होगा? इस तरफ जाने पर D बढ़ रहा है, तो इस तरफ आने पर क्या होगा? D कम होगा. इधर जाने पर क्या हो रहा था? D प्लस हो रहा था. तो अगर इधर आएंगे तो क्या हो जाएगा? D क्या होगा?
माइनस
माइनस होगा. लोग बोल क्यों नहीं पाते? L2 equals to L minus D. Now what is the third term? Who will tell?
L minus 2D.
L minus 2D. What is fourth term?
L minus 3D.
L minus 3D.
Yes. L4 equals to L minus 3D. Now see here, we can rearrange the terms here. It can be written as L minus 1 into D. Then we can write it as L minus 2 minus 1 into D. Then we can write L minus 3 minus 1 into D. And here we can write L minus 4 minus 1 into D. So, what is the difference? In the first term here is 1, second term 2, third term 3, fourth term 4. So, what is nth term? Therefore, nth term from last, this is denoted by Ln equals to L minus n minus 1 into B. This is the nth term from the last.